going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, yeah, I'm sitting down. I haven't been sitting down, and I'm sorry that you guys are up in this weird angle. Hopefully changing the angle does something better for the channel, I guess, or keeps your interest. But anyway, there's another question from another viewer asking me, saying that, hey, my frame on my Chevy Avalanche is cracked. Damn, you guys love these Chevy Avalanches videos. But that's fine. I love making them. So anyway, he wants to know if he should fix it. So, okay. Your frame, when it's cracked, the integrity of the structure is gone. You don't want to take a chance with that. Yes, they can fix it. They can weld it. I don't think it's safe, honestly. No matter what anyone tells you, I don't think it's safe. What I would do if I was you, was if you really love that truck, you don't want to get rid of that truck, outsource another frame. If you're mechanically inclined and you think you could do it, swap over your frame. Yes, it's going to take a lot of work. Yes, it's probably going to get frustrating at times. And most likely, if your frame has rotted to the point where it's cracked, or where it just cracked, first of all, if it rotted to a point where it's cracked, most likely all your bolts and nuts are going to be very rusty and probably going to break on you, so you're probably going to get frustrated. So you have two options: either get another frame, rebuild your platform, or on top of that, just buy another truck. And I don't know what your financial situation's like. Swapping frames could possibly get expensive if you're not going to do it and you're going to pay someone else to do. That's not a job that a lot of people, well, I've never done one to price out for anyone. So that's something that you're going to have to think about if that's what you want to do. Sure, you could take the cheap shortcut way of getting it welded back, but to me that's not safe, and I do not recommend that. Obviously you're a grown person, whoever you are, and I want you to do whatever you feel is comfortable for you. But again, I do not recommend you welding the frame. I think the structure of the integrity is completely gone. I think what you should do is just get another frame, get a full solid chassis frame, because the way that you told me that it was broken was in the center of the frame where there is no weld points, where that was the actual full-on frame itself. I don't know what you did to have that crack like that, unless it's really rotted. But yeah, just get another frame, have it swapped over if that's what you want, or just buy another truck. Honestly, that's the best way you can go. Get an updated version, or get the same version with better frame, and take care of it, you know? Make sure you sand it down, pour 15 the whole frame, undercoat it again, and it'll be solid. You'll be good to go. So that is my 2 cents on what you should do with your frame. Guys, if you have anything to put in, please, everyone on board, all hands on deck, jump in the comment section, let us know what he should do. Like I said, I don't believe in welding back the frame. I think the structure is compromised. He should just get another one or get another truck. But I want to hear what you guys got to say, or what you all think. Please leave it in the comment section below. If you all like this video, please make sure that you hit a like. Guys, if 200 of y'all watching the video, just take the 1 second, please, and like the video. I ask you guys, please. That way we can boost the channel up into the YouTube algorithm. I really want my channel to be out there and known for other people. I really want to build a strong foundation and a strong family. I really appreciate the guys that I have on with me now, guys and girls. Other than that, please subscribe if you're not please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.